And now to southwest Fulton County, where a fire earlier this week destroyed much of Cook Brothers Funeral Directors and Cremations in Fairburn. Its president and CEO tells our Leandra Head, while it is a devastating loss, they vow to rebuild.
It's just an unrealistic moment to take in, but here we are.
Pastor Tamarcus Cook is devastated.
We were able to evacuate the decedents in our care. There were 5 loved ones being cared for by us during that time period. And so those loved ones were all accounted for. Additionally, we had a set of cremains that were in the building as well that were recovered and returned to the family.
What was that over there, a couch or those are chairs I'm looking at?
This was a viewing room that had a cloud mural. Sometimes if we were exceptionally busy, we would service some of our decedents in this room.
Firefighters worked for hours to put out the fire. Cook says that his cousin Blake Cook helped him recover the human and cremated remains that were inside of the building.
I just needed to be there for him. As time went by, I just helped him, and I was like, I need to go in there behind him.
He was hospitalized and treated for smoke inhalation.
Smokes in my eyes, and one of my eyes that I was rubbing the stuff in my eyes, and I didn't know. And it's my eye right here. They saying it might go out because the chemicals and stuff was in there.
Cook bought the 12,000 square foot building back in 2019.
We plan to rebuild here, and we plan to rebuild better with the help of the Lord and the support of our community.
Leandra, thank you. The cause of the fire isn't yet known. Cook Brothers also operates in Noonan, Fairburn, and Meriwether counties.